In this video I will show you how to delete Pinterest account. I'm gonna use mobile app and I'm gonna use Android. So let's start. First, open the application. Next, go here, click on your profile picture. And in the top right corner, click on these three dots. Settings. And then you will find privacy and data, so click on it. And when you scroll down, there is a delete your data and account. Click. And here, if you are ready to leave forever, they will send you an email with the final step too. So I'm gonna press continue. My reason is other. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna check my emails. I'm gonna show you the email. So this is the email. I'm guessing if you are click on yes, delete account, you will delete your account forever. Let's check it. So, oh, that's it. Perfect. So this is how can you delete your Pinterest account. Guys, thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel and see you one click later. Goodbye.